beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make party peanuts. Okay, you could serve peanuts at your party, but we're just gonna add a little bit of something to it to make it taste better and stand out. So it's just not just ordinary peanut, it's just something tasty. So what you need is 1 cup of flour. You're also gonna need a half teaspoon of salt, and then we're gonna need 1 cup of water. I'm gonna add it small by small. Okay, add it and mix it. I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm gonna mix. So if you're baking more, then you just double the recipe. Okay, it makes your peanut taste a little bit more crunchier. You don't want to make it too thick and not too thin. Okay, so make your butter so simple. It's just 1 cup of water and 1 cup of flour. Very nice. And then what you do is you get your raw peanuts. You could get this from any grocery store, just raw peanuts. I got this from the Asian market. You could just get it from anywhere. Okay, so here's my butter. I think it's a little bit too light, so I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of flour to it. I think my water was too much. Make sure you don't overdo your work. Alright, and if you do it and it's too light, just add a little bit more, flour to it. So now I'm about to fry a little bit at a time. So I'm gonna take 1 cup. I'm gonna take a scoop of this. I'm gonna pour it all over it and mix it up. Nicely, generously. I'm gonna put it in our oil, just ready to go. So our peanut is frying beautifully. As you are frying it, they cluster together. So what you can do is, as you're turning and mixing, you're just gonna be breaking it apart. It's okay if some of them get stuck together, that's fine. Okay, but when it gets warm, you could just break it apart. So we're gonna fry till it's golden brown. Yes, so peanuts are done. Beautiful golden brown. Gonna put it here so that it can drain. Fantastic. You know it's done when it stops frying. Okay. Beautiful. Your guests are gonna enjoy it. Fantastic. It is very crunchy. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.